Where is Edye? I have a special guest while Edye is traveling in Iraq to follow her culinary journey and learning about spices. This is my sister. We call her Sissy Beans.
Hi!
And I'm Stu Beans. And so today on Cooking with Sissy Beans, we're going to make a chicken dish. What's it called? You have a name for it?
I do. Broccoli chicken bake.
All right, and this is one of my sister's recipes. So here's how it's gonna go. So my sister has never used the Omnia Oven, and so while we're camping here, while Edye's away, I can't wait to introduce her to the Omnia Oven. Do us a huge favor. Do Sissy Beans a huge favor. Smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, hit the notification bell if you haven't already, and you'll get notified when more videos pop out. We also have a Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans. Bing! And Edye, who's not here, does have a cookbook, Outdoor Cooking with Edye, featuring the Omnia Oven, which you can find on Amazon. All right, all the house cooking is done. What's left to do?
Let's get cooking.